Good morning, viewers. This is attorney Naresh Gehi. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning, and today's show is about denial of fiancé visas and the denial of marriage-based immigration cases by U.S. consulates in foreign countries. We've been getting a lot of messages on Facebook from our viewers that Mr. Gehi, I'm having a big problem, and the problem is that I'm an American citizen and I applied for my fiancé in a foreign country, and I did everything. I did the paperwork right, and after that I also basically filled the documents which were required in connection with the application. I filed the application, and after the filing of the application, what I did is that I filled the DS form, and later on my fiancé went to the consulate, and the consulate has denied the visa. Well, first thing is that whatever happened is the past, but that does not mean that's the end of your case. So you still have hope. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Now, the number one reason why fiancé visa gets denied is because of poor preparation. There are some people who like to do the paperwork on their own, or there are some people who go to a lawyer who's not very experienced in fiancé visas. So what happens is that because of some of these factors, the consulate officer who interviewed your fiancé is suspecting whether this particular relationship is really bona fide. Bona fide means that whether this is a real relationship. Now, I'm focusing right now on fiancé visas first. So we are talking about fiancé visas. Now you are John Doe and you live in the United States, and you met this person, and after you met this person, you decided to immediately apply for the fiancé visa. Now, one of the reasons why this can happen is because of poor preparation. As I said, you may not have had enough documentation, or probably a neighbor or someone who doesn't like you might have complained about your fiancé. That has also happened in the past. Or thirdly, because when your fiancé went over there to the interview, she did not answer the questions properly. So now there's another reason why fiancé visa gets denied. And this is because some people have this habit of having a secret ceremony, a marriage ceremony, and the consulate finds out and he feels that there's something fishy about this relationship, and they deny the visa. Now that is serious. So in a sense, the way the consulate feels is that you are trying to trick the consulate because you had this religious marriage abroad, and now after that, what you're doing, you're trying to ask your fiancé to come on a K1 visa in the United States, and you're going to get married to her in 90 days. Now I'm focusing on the K1 fiancé visa. So the thing is that you have to be very careful if you are in this situation. So if your fiancé visa has been denied, there may be light at the end of the tunnel. So therefore, it doesn't matter where you're located. I've been getting a lot of calls, questions from our viewers, and also there's one special announcement I want to make today to all our fantastic viewers on Facebook. Very soon, we're going to start a podcast on a website, a new website, which is gehilaw.com. And thank you to my wonderful team who's been working very hard. It's Ali, Brianna, Kimberly. I've been working very hard to make this happen for all of you. So pretty soon you're going to have a podcast, which means a radio show live with attorney Gehi. After my Facebook show, you're going to get that news soon. So you all will be able to interact with me by means of your questions and answers. And you can visit our new site now, which is gehilaw.com, and you can see we've been working hard to address a lot of questions which are posed by our viewers on Facebook. Now, let's move on to the second topic. Marriage-based cases, why are they getting denied? So we spoke about fiancé visas getting denied by the consulate. Now, marriage-based cases can be denied for a variety of reasons. Number one is that depends on how many times you met your spouse after you got married. Secondly, if your spouse is inadmissible under immigration law under some other category. Thirdly, if the relationship is not bona fide. Fourthly, if you did not have enough people attending your wedding. And fifthly, you don't have enough paperwork. Sixthly, when your spouse went for an interview, she did not answer the questions properly. So at least when it comes to spouse visa cases, it's much easier than fiancés getting denied, because there's a lot you can do on those cases. You can immediately refile those cases, have an aggressive lawyer fight those issues out, or if they deny it and if they send the application back to the service center, then you can actually kind of defend yourself before the service center by providing them with a plethora of correspondence to show that your marriage was actually bona fide. And we've been successful in a lot of these cases. Remember, prior results do not guarantee future outcome. So if you are in a situation wherein your spouse or your fiance is in a foreign country, and if their visa has been denied, or if they are stuck in a foreign country for a very long time, for example, if they're stuck in Canada, if they're stuck in the UK, in London, or someone is stuck in Scotland, or someone is stuck in Mumbai, or someone is stuck in China, Beijing, whatever, you can contact us and we'll be happy to assist you with your case. And this is attorney Naresh Gehi, and our website is www.gehilaw.com. And if you have any further questions, we have 3 offices, one in Jamaica, in Queens, New York. Second one is in Forest Hills, and my third office is in Ozone Park. Late evening and weekend appointments are available. Actually, someone asked me, and thank you to the viewer, to specify that we are available on weekends, and we do handle immigration cases from all over the United States and the world. So even if you're in another state, or if you're in Canada watching this show, Gehi and Associates can help you with your US immigration matters. Prior results do not guarantee future outcome. This is attorney Gehi from Gehi and Associates. The instant program constitutes an attorney advertisement under the laws of the state of New York. We'll be back again with our viewers next week, same time, same place. Keep watching this immigration show, brought to you by Naresh Gehi from Gehi and Associates.